Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by inserting word art into your document. Open Insert and pick Word Art. Type the exact text you need, then choose a readable font and set the size so it fits your layout. Once done, apply a base color and quick alignment, left, center, or right, to position the element. Make sure to lock surrounding content or use guides so the word art stays in place. This gets you straight into designing without wasting time on trivial setup. You now refine the word art using effects to make it stand out. Start with fills and outlines. A subtle gradient and a thin stroke add depth without overpowering. Next, add shadow or glow for legibility. Keep distance and blur low to avoid fuzziness. If you need drama, use transform or warp for curved text and tweak 3D rotation for a tilted perspective. Make sure to test blending modes and layer order so your text remains readable against backgrounds. You finish by converting, exporting, and verifying final output. Group word art with nearby objects and export as PNG for raster use or SVG for scalable results. Alternatively, convert to shapes to tweak anchor points. Before exporting, confirm contrast, DPI, and bleed settings for print. If text appears fuzzy or misaligned, reset applied effects and reapply minimal settings. If problems persist, revert to a saved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.